Welcome to online classes. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is K. Kalyani. I am working as Biology CRT at KZBV Bommanhal, Anantapur district. Today we are discussing about nutrition in 10th class. What is nutrition? Nutrition means nutrients are defined as the substances required for proper growth and maintenance of a living body. How many types of nutrition are there? There are two types of nutrition. One, autotrophic nutrition, and second, heterotrophic nutrition. Let us know about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organisms prepare their own food by utilizing only the inorganic raw materials present in the surroundings. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organisms derive energy from the intake and digestion of organic substances prepared by autotrophs and other organic sources. Photosynthesis definition. Photosynthesis is an important life process in all green plants which are able to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and light energy. Photosynthesis process can be represented as 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise in the presence of light and chlorophyll. It gives C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. CO2 means carbon dioxide, H2O means water, C6H12O6 means glucose, O2 means oxygen. Today we are learning about 3 experiments. First experiment, that is to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Materials required: potted plant, KOH means potassium hydroxide, glass bottle, split cork, iodine solution, grease. Take a potted plant with long and narrow leaves. Keep it in a dark place for weekdays. Now, leaves are free from starch. Take a glass bottle with 5 to 6 ml of potassium hydroxide solution. Insert half of the leaf into the glass bottle by using split cork. Close the bottle without leaving any gap by using grease. Keep the entire setup in sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. Detach the leaf from plant. Now remove the leaf from bottle. Boil the leaf in methylated spirit over a water bath till it becomes pale white. Then test the leaf by using iodine solution. After few minutes, the part of the leaf which is present outside of the bottle turns into blue or black color. The part of the leaf which is present inside the bottle does not turns into blue black color. This experiment proved that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Second experiment to prove that light is essential for photosynthesis. Materials required: potted plant, clip, piece of black chalk, iodine solution. Take a potted plant with wide leaves. Keep it in a dark place for weekdays. After weekdays, now leaves are free from starch. Select a leaf and cover half of the leaf with a piece of black paper by using a clip. Keep the entire setup in sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. Detach the leaf from plant. Remove the clip and chart from the leaf. Boil the leaf in methylated spirit over a water bath till it becomes pale white. Then test the leaf by using iodine solution. After few minutes, the part of the leaf which is exposed to sunlight turns into blue or black color. The part of the leaf which does not expose to sunlight does not turns into blue or black color. This experiment proved that light is essential for photosynthesis. Third experiment to prove that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. Materials required: beaker, glowing splinter, glass funnel, test tube, hydrilla plant or chara plant. Procedure: take a beaker and fill with water. Take a funnel and insert chara plants. Invert the funnel into the beaker. Take a test tube and fill with water. Now invert the test tube over the funnel without entering any gas bubbles. After 1 hour, there is no gas at the end of the test tube. Keep this arrangement in the sunlight and observe. After 1 hour, small colorless gas bubbles are come out from chara plants. Gas bubbles are collected at the end of the test tube. Carefully remove the test tube without entering the air. Test the gas in the test tube by glowing splinter. Stick glows vigorously. It indicates that gas is oxygen. This experiment proves that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. Bye children, take care.